So today we're going to talk about how to get started making mobile apps with Cordova. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Cordova website at cordova.apache.org. And you can see here that it's all about building mobile apps with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And you can target multiple platforms like Android and Apple and Windows and BlackBerry and apparently 4 more. I don't know what those are. But it's cool because you can use web technology to build native apps. And it's also free and open source, so that's pretty cool. Just click on Get Started. So the first thing to do is install Cordova with npm install -g for global and Cordova. And that's something you only have to do once. Now it's installed globally and I can run the Cordova command. And if you want to see your version, you can do Cordova-v, and I'm on 5.4.1. So now to create a new app, you just do Cordova create and the name of your app. I'm going to call it sample Cordova, but you can call yours whatever you want. And it created a new Cordova project with that name. So the folder is sample Cordova, so I can cd into that and then list out what's in there. We've got a config.xml, we've got a hooks directory, a platforms directory, a plugins directory, and a www directory where your project will actually live. So the third step it says to do is to run Cordova Platform and Add, and then that's where you say the name of the platform you want to add. And the first one they suggest is browser, but you can also do Android or iOS. So that's installed now. So I can run Cordova Run Browser since I have the browser platform installed. And I've opened Chrome before, but it's opening this up because it's in a slightly different version of Chrome, I think. And here it is. This is just their basic placeholder thing. And in the console, they've got this device ready. If we open it up here in Sublime, you can see in the www folder there's an index.html and some placeholder stuff here in this app div, and then they're loading in Cordova.js, but then also they're loading in this index.js file, which is here, and it is waiting for the device ready event doing some DOM manipulation stuff, and the console logging event received, device ready. So I'm just going to get rid of all this. And in the HTML file, I'm going to get rid of all of this and then just put a paragraph tag. It says hello Cordova. So to cancel this, do Control-C and then rerun Cordova Run Browser. And you can see it's changed here. So that's how you get started with Cordova. There's a lot more to learn. You can go to their website, look at their documentation, look at the platform support to see all the platforms that are supported, how to get started with Android and iOS, how to use the command line tool. It talks about adding platforms like iOS and Android. And then also there is using Plugman to manage plugins is also really important. Plugins help you to access the native features like text messaging and GPS and stuff. So that's it. I hope you have fun building Cordova apps.